So we're going to look at formula evaluation. And the example that we're going to use are interest rates, principal, and time of investment. The formula is A, amount accrued over a period of time at a simple interest rate. A equals P times 1 plus RT. And just to give you some definitions, principal is the sum of money lent or invested on which interest is paid. Interest is the rate a lender charges for the use of assets expressed as a percentage of the principal. The interest rate is typically noted on an annual basis. And time is the time multiplied by the interest rate to determine the additional amount of money to be paid back on the principal over a certain amount of time. So we're going to use the following example. What is the total amount of money accrued where the principal is $10,000, interest rate is 3.875%, and the time period is 5 years? So, step 1, we have to convert the rate, the percent, to a decimal. R equals R divided by 100, which equals 3.875% divided by 100 equals 0.03875 per year. Step 2, substitute the known values into the formula for the total amount accrued. Step 3, $10,000 times 1 plus 0.03875 times 5 equals a total of $11,937.50. The amount accrued, $11,937.50 over a 5-year period. Remember, it is important to answer the question in a full sentence with the sign in front of the total, in this case, the dollar sign. Should be noted that a formula can be manipulated to find when another variable is unknown. So we can manipulate the original formula in trying to find principal, rate, and time. For principal, you divide both sides by 1 plus RT. For rate, you divide both sides by T and P and subtract 1. And for time, you divide both sides by R and P and subtract 1.